Good morning. Welcome to my new channel. I would love to share with you some techniques that I know in Photoshop to post-produce architectural and interior pictures. In this first video, I would like to show you how to manage lights and shadows from 5 different pictures or 3 different pictures to obtain that one picture. So as you see, we have here 5 exact the same pictures, but with a different exposure. Okay, and this is a house I have done a couple of weeks ago, and I would like to start with this. So as you see, we have this with the bracketing. You can set up that with your camera, and the camera does automatically 5 pictures. So the first one with the, let's call it normal exposure. The next two with a lower exposure, where here the lights, you can see them better. And then the last two where the shades, the part of the shades are very visible. But of course then the lights are very burn. So what are we going to do is to take 3 of them to start, 3 of them. So first the one in the middle, okay, then we can use one of these two. I will use this one, and then one for the shades. I will use this one, not this one, because it can become a bit too much. So we take these 3 and we open it in Photoshop. As you know, if you're using raw pictures, it will automatically open the camera raw. Okay, so here we have our 3 pictures. We are going to take one and select the rest. So with shift we select all 3, because we are going to do little modifications here to the picture, but all these modifications to be applied in all 3 pictures. Okay, so first the white balance, we need to see if it's correct or not. We add slightly clarity and we can start. And we remove the chromatic aberration. This is always. So we open all 3 pictures. And now we are going to take as a base, this picture, okay, because it's something in the middle between the shades, the shadows and the lights. Yes, not this one of course, and not this one. Now the important part of this process, we are going to go to this picture. From this picture we are only interested in this and the lights. We are not interested in anything else of the picture. So what we are going to do is to select color range. Sorry, I have my other screen activated so everything appears in the other screen. So we're gonna take the highlights. Okay, here we can choose the range, decide the range that we're going to need. I would say this is okay. This is the fuzziness. Something there is okay. And now Photoshop is selecting the lights. But that's of course not enough, because this is not a soft selection. So we go to select and mask. Okay. And we go out with the feather a lot. And as you can see, it's a very soft selection with the lights. Very good. In every case it's gonna be different. There is how much feather do we want to do. In this case I think it's quite reasonable, so we're going to do OK. We are going to do copy, so Command C. we go to our main picture, we put edit, and not paste, but paste special, paste in place. This what it's going to do, as you see, is to paste it exactly in the same place. I'm gonna take here my levels. Okay. So here we have our background, which is our main picture, under our layer. Okay, you can see the layer. Okay, we see, for example, I can see here is slightly darker than I want, but we're not gonna do that now. We're going to go to the shades, to the shadows. We're going to do the same. In this picture, we're going to use only this, okay? Not this, of course. So, selection, color range, shadows. I think something like this is okay. Select and mask. And as you see, we need to do it softer, more spread, more. I'm sorry for my English, it's not the best, but I'm doing my best. Okay, I think that's enough. We copy, we go to our main picture, and we do again edit, paste special, paste in place. So let's see it from the beginning. Background, light, shade. Okay, that's the first step, but doesn't mean that the picture is correct right now. So I'm gonna deactivate the layer of the shadows, and on the lights, here is very well done, as you see. Here, sorry, it's very well done, but according to me, this space is a bit darker with no reason. What are we going to do is to use one of these, and we're gonna see the white thing. We take the pencil with the black, so the other way around, and with a soft pencil we're gonna go through like this, just to take out, to delete a bit what we don't want. Okay, and that's okay. Now with the shades is almost okay. We're gonna use again this, and we're gonna delete slightly. When we think we are ready, we are going to do one level of this. So Command E. Okay. Okay, so we have now our picture, that is, the lights and the shadows are more well distributed in the picture. Okay, I hope this video has helped you, and in the next video we are going to learn how to remove things that you forgot to remove, and also to remove things that maybe are architecturally not interesting and are disturbing the picture. Okay, thank you.